All right, we're live from here this beautiful Wednesday. Good afternoon, everyone. Hard to hear with the electrical generator here. We're here in the renovation that we have in Cascade Road. I shot a couple of videos a few weeks ago in which actually we did this house from inside out. As you see, I'm going to flip over the camera here. Now all the concrete and the foundation have been rebuilt. All the framing on the main floor has been done completely, and the house looks really rock solid. Love the outcome in this one. One of the more complicated challenges that we have at MOG, but at this point I'm really confident that we figured it out already. We're going to have a bedroom in here. As you see, all the interior framing is being done. We're going to the second level with the action is happening actually. On the second floor, we need to detach the entire roof on the back side of the house, and we need to rebuild it from the studs in order to restore. As you see, the roof has been open for a long time. I don't even know for how long, and all this has been rotted. But the guys are working right now. We detach all the roof on the back side, and we're going to rebuild all the roofing structure in this beautiful renovation, hopefully to get it done in 6 weeks. Hold me accountable of that. We need to get this done. We've been waiting about a year for the permitting, but we're up and running now. Extensive damage in this one, a bunch of stuff falling down. We don't have any roof. We can see the beautiful sky of the city, some trees on it. The guys are detaching from inside to be safer. All the structure that they've been rotted. Top here where we are is going to be the master bathroom. Master bedroom. Master bathroom right there with a closet. This is another bedroom. This is going to be another bath. Have some plumbing done, but it's not completed and ready to be inspected. And this is going to be a closet. Have the steps going down, and I'm really at this one. It's been a really big challenge, but I'm really satisfied with the outcome. We've been here for 3.5 weeks. The weather haven't helped much, but you know how it works. That we roll. We make it happen. As you see on the back side, you can see the sunlight coming through. It's supposed to be 100% rain today. It doesn't look like to me, but you know how the weather is. After the roof is done, we're going to actually lay the new roof up, new gutters. We're going to replace all the rotted soffit fascia outside the house, the glass on the windows, and we're going to install the trades, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. As I say, 1 year on permitting, 3.5 weeks so far. All the framing on the main floor is done, all the foundation has been done. Part of the siding been done, and we actually run the clock right now to make it 6 weeks, which is going to be end of February. This house is supposed to be hitting the market. Stay tuned for more renovations. I just want to give you a quick update. I'm pretty excited today. We have one of the houses on the contract in 24 hours. Inspection is going to be done tomorrow in that house. Inspections in here hopefully in about a week. The roof is going to be done in about maybe this coming Saturday. All the design and staging is going to be for my wife Ida and MOG Design, where the truly magic happens. We use the ones that build the thing up. Stay tuned for more renovations. Stay tuned for more updates. They've been a heck of a project, but I'm really proud that we can handle this type of situation. This house is supposed to be complete tear down, but we have some setback issues with the city. But finally we decided to renovate it, and this is what we're doing. My wife is watching. Hey, big hi from here. Stay tuned for more renovations. Stay tuned for more magic to happen in this property in a really short period of time. Thank you for contacting MOG. Leave comments below. If you have any questions, suggestions, if you tag someone that might be interested in cities, just feel free to do so. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon. Thank you.